listened to a young girl who was saying that the Nigerian community here is totally very angry. Thank you very much for listening to our
was the Ijo country of the Niger Delta of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He went to several schools. His major academic genesis was at Government College, New Delhi.
Go gather, destroy their food. Make security camp and that other camp, second camp. You don't compensate everybody.
In its degeneration sometimes. Today I hope we can be in the style of J.C. Clark, a poet and writer, and we shall also be very interested in his point at more dancer.
Some lives are meaningful, some are empty. Lives that are meaningful, with too much meaning and riches to offer humankind. After some of these earthly adventures and more, one can still find footprints of these great lives on the pavements of our contemporary lives.
Good evening, you're welcome to the program Green Planet.
Within the family of Achatinadae, there are snails that are dwarfs. They might never ever become giants, like the round bottom snails or the long bottom snails. However, their color patterns are similar, even though not the same. They forage a lot on vegetables and have been eaten in many parts of Cameroon, especially in Manu division, where they are eaten with arrow as a main dish. One major difference between the dwarfs and the bigger snails is the size of their eggs. These are the eggs, newly laid eggs of the small Achatinadae snails. They are indeed very small if contrasted with the bigger snail eggs of their relatives. There you have one of the eggs of a giant. However, in captivity, usually, sometimes, the little ones act as food to the giants. But are, in their rights, very, very palatable and can act as a source of protein as well. So these newly laid eggs justify the fact that not only giant breeds can be grown for food, but as well the little ones can be grown as well. Thank you very much indeed for watching People, Places and Events and the African Center for Community and Development. It has been Arrey Ivo.
Thank you very much. And you just listened to a young girl who was saying that the Nigerian community here is totally very angry. Thank you very much for listening to our
was the Ijo country of the Niger Delta of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He went to several schools. His major academic genesis was at Government College, New Delhi.
Go gather, destroy their food. with the camp. And that other camp, some more camp. You don't compensate everybody. But some of them,
generation sometimes. Today our focus will be on the style of J.P. Clark, a poet and writer, and we shall also be very interested in his point Akmo dancer.
Some lines are meaningful, some are empty. Lives that are meaningful, with too much meaning and riches to offer humankind. After some of these earthly adventures and more, one can still find footprints of these great lives on the pavements of our contemporary life.
Good evening, you're welcome to the program Green Planet.